Malco Products manufactures quality tools for professionals. We make the right tools for crimping, bending, folding, or seaming metal. Top quality products that work hard, enhance performance, and stand up to years of use on the job. At Malco, we believe in American-made tools that work, perform, outlast. Malco hand seamers with powerful forged steel jaws are the premier choice for bending, folding, flattening, and straightening sheet metal edges, or safely gripping and moving sheet metal around the job site. They're available in 3-inch and 6-inch jaw widths and an offset 3-inch size for overhead work. The drop-forged high-impact jaws feature depth markings graduated in 1/4-inch increments and a powerful compound leverage design. Easily bend flanges or completely flattened seams from 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inches deep in 24-gauge galvanized or mild steel. They also feature ergonomic REDLINE handle technology. An engineered handle opening complements the natural power stroke of any user's hand and maximizes the powerful 7-to-1 mechanical advantage of compound leverage head-to-handle linkage. Natural handle grip contours, a non-slip grip insert, spring handle actuation, and a thumb-operated handle latch ensure a natural fit and feel for comfortable one-hand operation anywhere on the job. Malco continues its tradition of quality and innovation, manufacturing hundreds of products from its Annandale, Minnesota headquarters to trade professionals in the United States and around the world. Malco Products, a proud heritage for a promising future.